The 1973 Upper Springfield Festival forward still to this day tells us what the Féile is all about. They said, "A festival is a very happy event. At times, many of us thought we would never be able to celebrate again, but people share most in times of trouble. The festival is a morale booster, a cooperative effort. Those who are together for the festival will stay together for much more to come."
Today we are launching Féile na Gluigeannaigh Garma, and it is a beautiful day for the Upper Springfield. The sun's shining. I think it's an omen for what's going to be a fabulous festival. This festival celebrates everything which is good about community. It's a community coming together, a community celebrating together, and a community demanding change, but with hope. Now, I think the Upper Springfield have been before their time in terms of protecting their local natural environment. They've been lovers of these hills and they've encouraged other people to use them, but with a sustainability focus. They're cherishing their local natural environment, but they're also adding new features in terms of the urban built environment. It really is a wonderful day for this community and for the whole of Belfast. Now, I want to thank the trailblazers such as Terry Enright. He had a vision for these hills in terms of opening them up as a key feature of our beautiful city. The schedule itself is jam-packed with music, arts, culture, learning. There's keynote speakers looking at trauma and looking at autism. So it really is dealing with the issues of the day. There's something for everyone, and there's a great focus this year on mental health and well-being. I really do think that's timely, emerging from COVID and coming through this cost of living crisis. So the brochures are out now. I would recommend everyone to get yourself booked on. It's a fabulous opportunity, and it really will bring us into summer with positivity and with hope. Thank you to all of the community organisations involved, to all the volunteers involved. It's been their tenacity and their enthusiasm and commitment that has made this a shining star of our festival calendar. So a massive Gael-Ionad Mhic Goill to them all.